branding reference image is really important to putting together a branding kit package for your team, whether that's someone who's in the same business as you, or if you're hiring a social media content creator, or even your intern who's helping out. A branding kit keeps that message and imagery clear between the multiple people working on your content. So, we're going to walk today through how to make a branding reference image so that everyone has easy access to use this on social media. We're not going to get into the feeling behind the brand and how to make that message and voice clear for your business, but if you're interested in that, please let us know. So today we're going to start here in Canva. Canva is a free design tool that has lots of different templates for social media, websites, presentations, you name it. All you have to do is sign up in an email. What I want to is create an Instagram story graphic that in the end has our branding color palettes and our logos so that we can create a reference image to use on social media. But we're going to start from scratch. I'm going to use this book company and we're going to create their branding package. So here is their logo, Town Center Books. I have saved the image and I went to this color picker online, imagecolorpicker.com. I uploaded this image free in there, and now I can see the hex code colors in this image. So the hex code or RGB values is going to tell you what specific colors are in this image so that we can reuse them and create them on Canva. So I specifically want to use this green, red, blue, and lime green here. So I'm going to select those green. And over here on the right, yes, bear with the ads, we're going to use copy and paste that hex code. Command C. I'm going to go into my Canva design where I have started a reference image. And what I'm going to do is go to Elements. I'm going to search Palette. And while those are palettes, that's not exactly what I want. I'm going to do rectangle shapes. Or I'm going to actually search the palette in the templates. That's what I want. Here we are. I'm going to select this template through Canva and I'm just going to make the background white. And these colors are wonderful right here, but they are not my branding color. So what I'm going to do is upload my logo in here for this bookstore. And I'm literally going to put it where it says logo. I don't have any pictures, so I'm going to delete this. And we're just going to put this right in here. Oops. Awesome. Okay, so now that I have copy and pasted my hex code, I'm going to click on one of these boxes here, click on the color, and now I'm going to click add a new color. Copy and paste my green in there. I'm going to click on the next box, go back to my image grabber. I'm going to grab that red, paste that hex value, change the color, copy and paste, select the next box, go back to my image, I'm going to select this lime green, copy and paste, go back, select the color, copy and paste. There's one that in here that didn't select, so I'm going to select the yellow. Copy and paste that hex value, go back to the image, select, copy and paste. Go back to my image one more time and we're going to grab this blue. Copy and paste, go back to my Canva, select, copy and paste. And now we have this lovely reference image to use. So now when you have an Instagram story or something that you'd like to do, this is an image that you can send to your team and keep in your camera roll for easy access. I'm going to rename this. And then select download. If you're not sure what your branding colors are or you don't have a logo, you can go to this website called colors.co and you can start a generator, create some colors that you like. So if I click the generator and use my space bar to select different colors, it's going to generate a lot of different themes and palettes that might work for our branding. So again, we're not going to get into the why and the how behind the branding, but this is an actual tool that you can use. And let's say I really like this purple, I'm going to toggle lock, keep hitting the space bar until I find colors that I like to go well with those until we have our final palette. And now you have these codes right here that you can copy and paste and upload into Canva just like we did for our branding palette right here. So hopefully these tools are helpful to you when you're starting your branding journey, but I'm going to show you how to use this reference image now on social. Let's use our branding reference image on social media. So I'm going to use a branding image on my story. So I'm going to add a new story by selecting my profile image, and I'm going to upload my reference image that we just created in Canva here. So a great and easy way to share something on your story while keeping it on brand, even if you don't have an image to share, is to use this reference image. So this is very curated, right? Like we don't want to post something this graphic heavy on here, but we do want to select the colors from here. So I'm going to hit the three dots in the top right hand corner to use the draw tool. Select the draw tool. Now what we're going to be able to do is use the dropper down in the left hand corner to select one of these branding colors to make it our background. I'm going to select the dropper and drag it across these colors here, and I'm going to use this yellow. Select the yellow and hold your finger down on your screen until the image becomes yellow. Wonderful. Now we don't have that graphic behind us, but we still have our color here. So maybe we want to ask our audience a question. Let's ask them, what is your favorite book? Hit done. But maybe I want to put some text on here too. So what I'm going to do to reference those colors that are now behind the plain color screen is I'm going to go grab my reference image. So I'm going to go to my camera roll. I'm going to copy this image, copy photo. Go back to your Instagram app and paste it in there. Add that sticker. Now we have this image on our story as a reference image while we work. So I want to type some more. So I'm going to say town center books couldn't possibly select a favorite, but tap through to see this month's most popular picks. Now, this is white text, right? It's not bad, but maybe I want to include one of those branding colors. So select the text that we just did. Select the rainbow color wheel at the top. And again, select that dropper down there. Drag your dropper across the screen to your reference image and select one of those colors. I'm going to use the blue. Now we have a text box on our screen that is on brand. So if I want to do that again, I would hit add to my story, and then I can create another image or another story that's the same
type of format, but with a different branding color, and keep it on brand while still connecting with our audience. Again, you don't need professional photos or even iPhone photos to create something in your story really quick that is on brand for your business and organization and to connect with your audience. Let me know if you have any more questions on how to do this.